Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and create a new account on the Overwatch 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Overwatch 2 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the option to scan your QR code, or you can create your new account. Tap on the Open Browser button. And now you will need to choose the Create Battle.net account option. Then just choose your country and enter your date of birth. Then click on Continue and then enter your first and your last name. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in your preferred email address and click on the Continue button. Then you will be asked to check your inbox and enter the verification code that you see within. After entering the code, you will be allowed to create your password for your account. Just type in your desired password, and once you have completed it, your Battle.net account will be created, and now you will be taken into the game right away. You can now start playing and all of your progress will be saved within your Battle.net account. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Overwatch 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.